Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976 on YouTube. I do not own any of this. The properties and the trademark belong to the respectable owners. On to the video. Hello everyone. In today's Ice Age appearances of prehistoric animals in films that I haven't been doing the video lately on Ice Age franchise, So anyways, the one I'll be doing is Ice Age, Dawn of the Dinosaurs. So let's start off with the history behind it. So now with that done, let's get started on prehistoric animals that appeared in Ice Age, the Dawn of the Dinosaurs. Ankylosaurus, which there are some inaccuracies like the body shape and a club tail and the head. It has this like dragon mouth on it. Seriously. Archaeopteryx. And Rudy the Baryonyx. Brachiosaurus. Carnivorous plant. Giant butterfly, not based on a prehistoric butterfly. And buck. Prehistoric species, most likely based on of Spinictus, an extinct genus of prehistoric weasel. First appearance. Guanlong. Iguanodon. Kentrosaurus. Look at those weird eyes, though. It's really strange. Pachycephalosaurus. Triceratops. Troodon. Looks too skinny, and it's inaccurate. And those eyes. This just keeps getting weirder and weirder. And a pteranodon, which doesn't look like a pteranodon. Has a long tail. And Harpactognathus, a genus of pterosaur, which it didn't look like this. Quetzalcoatlus, which there are some inaccuracies, like it does not have teeth, the body shape, and the wings. And it looks more like Pterodactylus rather than Asdarchid Quetzalcoatlus like. And last but not least, Tyrannosaurus Rex. And with that done, now for cut content, meaning animals that didn't appear in the film final production. Stegosaurus didn't appear in the film, but only as a concept art. Dimorphodon, Parasaurolophus, and to the right is Mamenchisaurus. And that's basically it for every prehistoric animal and cut animals that appeared in Ice Age: Dawn of the Dinosaurs. Anyways, like, yes, I have seen the film, and it was average. It was average. Like and subscribe, hit the bell to notify new videos for new content. And on the next Ice Age franchise film I'll be doing, Ice Age: Continental Drift, and later Ice Age: Collision Course. Until next time, see you later, guys.